Hi, everybody. You've heard of pairing wine and food, but what about beer and food? This is something interesting. Joining me in the Better Kitchen today is Michael Oxton. He is the co-owner of Night Shift Brewing, making beers now sold in Connecticut. Mike, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so I'm not a big beer guy, but I know a lot of people out there are. We've got our little studio audience today. They're very excited about beer. Where do we begin? And tell us a little bit about your product.
Yeah, sure. So we're out of Boston, Massachusetts, but just entered Connecticut. And what I'm hoping to do today is just walk you through lighter flavors paired with food through sort of the bigger flavors as we go along.
Okay.
Pairing beer, it's all about balance. So we're just trying to basically balance either refreshing with refreshing or bold versus spicy, that kind of stuff.
Okay, so beers do come in different bolds and spices.
They do.
And I'm completely non-educated about beer. All right, let's do it.
Awesome.
So we'll start with this.
So this is our Limelight. This is a light lager with a little bit of lime. So it's super refreshing, a little bit of citrus, and that would go well with just like chips and salsa.
That's it, just chips and salsa. Can I try the chips and salsa?
Of course you can.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. And this again has what kind of a flavor?
That's got lime, like actually
just actual lime flavor.
It's a super light beer, so I mean it can pair well with pretty much anything: beaches, barbecues, or something simple.
Okay, so it's typically more for a summer than?
Yeah, definitely more summer oriented, but I mean we kind of pair it with anything. This is like our anything go-to beer, Limelight. Kind of new to 2019, and then its counterpart is Nightlight, which is a light beer with just more straightforward flavors.
Okay, all right, now we're moving on to this beautiful salad that you've made here.
Balsamic Salad, and with that we're pairing our Whirlpool, which is a New England Pale Ale. It's got like peach, citrus aromas and flavors.
Is that it right there?
Super refreshing, yeah.
I'll give it a try. All right, here we go. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
That's good. You know, that's not horrible. You know what?
I'll take that as a compliment.
No, that's a huge compliment. That's really good. I mean, for beer, for someone who doesn't like beer, I like that.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
No, that's really good.
That's a big win for me on the day.
That's huge. Yeah. Right here. I'm Better Connecticut. All right.
I'll go tell my friends.
So this would go well with balsamic salads.
Yeah, something light, refreshing. It's a light and refreshing beer, so that's a perfect pairing.
Okay, very good. Now we're moving on to the cheese category.
Yeah, so I only have one of our Santilli's left. This is our IPA. I'd stocked up on it for the weekend, but no joke, I had a party and people drank the beer that I was saving for this show, so I have just one left.
Did you not tell them you were coming on Better Connecticut?
I mentioned it too, but no one kept like the little closet aside. They just thought it was a free-for-all. So
that is awesome.
I lost some of my Santilli's, but I have one left. It is a IPA, so a little more bitter, bigger flavor, a little more alcohol, and that's going to go really well with cheese.
Now, when you say
bigger flavors.
IPA, it's a pale ale, right?
India Pale Ale is technically like the full term. Yeah,
the full term. Okay, and this will go well with cheese.
Yeah, exactly.
Any types of cheese? Swiss?
I recommend cheddar with a big IPA. Bold flavors against bold flavors, they're actually going to cut through each other really nicely, and one will complement the other.
And that's this one?
Yeah,
right here.
This one right here.
Right, let me give this a shot.
Fingers crossed.
That's not bad either.
Nice.
Yeah.
What'd you prefer, this one or the Whirlpool?
I actually prefer this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, this one's big.
Yeah,
a little more alcohol,
big and
too.
bold.
Yeah.
Makes me feel like Superman. No, I'm kidding. All right, and then we're moving down the line to this, what is that, a quesadilla?
Yeah, this is a chicken taco, and we have one hop this time paired with this. So this is probably like the biggest flavor across the board here. It's another IPA, and it's got, we feature different hops in each batch.
Okay.
And so this one specifically is Idaho 7, which is this like really kind of funky hop. Lots of sort of like mango flavors in this one.
Mango flavors?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if I can detect the mango flavors right here. There we go. Okay, that's my favorite.
Really? Nice. Okay, you can have these.
Okay, that's my favorite out of all of them.
Awesome.
And again, that would go well with spice or?
Yeah, exactly. So typically your IPAs, your big bitter beers, they'll pair really well with spice because they can just cut right through it.
How did you get into this crazy business?
Home brewing.
Home brewing?
Yes.
You started in your home?
Yes. Myself, two friends, a little apartment in Somerville, Mass. The name comes from the fact that we were brewing by night, working day jobs, and finally quit day jobs to start the brewery.
Isn't that great?
Yeah,
well,
it's
congratulations.
pretty crazy.
That's good. Good
Thank
to
you so
Continued
much.
success. All right, that's Mike. For more information on Night Shift Brewing and where you can find their beer here in Connecticut, head to nightshiftfamily.com/brewing.